I am Jeevan Sujita, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, SRKR Engineering College. In this session, I am going to explain how the insertion and deletion takes place in a binary search tree. Objectives: to discover how to insert and delete a data from a binary search tree, to learn how to use recursion process to process the trees, to implement features of a binary search tree such as insertion and deletion. So here comes the insert operation in a binary search tree. Where insert a new node as a leaf node. That means whenever you are inserting a new node, that must be a leaf node. So start at the root node as a current node, and if new node's key is less than current's key, that means if the newly inserted node is less than the root of data, then you have to traverse towards left, that means search left. Else you can add a new node as a current left child. If new node's key is greater than current's key, that means the newly created node is greater than the root zero of data, you have to search towards a right child. Else you can create a new node as a current's right child. Here is an example of how to insert a new node into the existing binary tree. Here I want to insert 60 in the existing binary tree. So we start from the root value, compare 60 with 25. So 60 is greater than 25, so we have to traverse towards right. Now compare 60 with 50. Again 60 is greater than 50, so we are traversing towards again right. Now compare 60 with 70. 60 is less than 70, so we traverse towards left child. So again compare 60 with 66. So 60 is less than 66, so we traverse towards here. So we are creating a new node and inserting new node, that is 60 here. Here is an C code for inserting an element in a binary search tree. So struct node star insert struct node root. So that means initial address of the root, and int key, the value to be inserted. If root node equals to null, that means there will not be existing tree, and the first node which you are going to insert becomes as a root node. Initially we are allocating memory using malloc function. If not, if you go to the else if block, that means the tree already exists. That means else if key is less than root arrow of data, that means the newly inserted data is less than root arrow of data, that means indicates that we have to traverse towards left. So root arrow of left equals to insert root arrow of left comma key, that means we are traversing towards left. Else if key is greater than root arrow of key, that means if the newly inserted key is greater than root of key, we have to traverse towards right. Root arrow of right equals to insert root arrow of right comma key. After performing all these operations, at the end we will be returning the root value. Here is a video that explains how insertion operation takes place and how the recursion operation takes place. Let us now see how to insert a new node into the existing binary tree. And I want to insert a node 5 into the existing tree. So you have to find the appropriate location where you want to insert node 5. So I am invoking an insert function here. So insert 5 comma, and our initial root address is 1000. So I am checking with the if condition whether our root value is equals to null or not. 1000 is equals to null or not. So this condition fails. So else if 5 is less than root arrow of data, where root arrow of data is 6, 5 is less than 6, the condition is true. So we have to write root of left, that is 1000 of left equals to insert 5 comma 1000 of left, where 1000 of left is nothing but 1000 of 2. So here an insert function is invoked, insert 5 comma 1000 of 2. Now our root value is 1002. If 1000 of 2 is equals to null, no. So we are going to the else if block. Else if 5 is less than 1002 of data. So 5 is less than 2, the condition fails here. So again I am checking another else if block, else if 5 is greater than 2. Yes. So now 1000 of right equals to 1002 of right equals to insert 5 comma 1002 of right, that is 1008. So in third iteration I am invoking another insert function 5 comma 1008. So now our root value is 1008. So if 1000 of 8 equals to null, no. So again the condition fails. Else if 5 is less than 1008 of data, that is 4, no, 5 is not less than 4, the condition fails. Else if 5 is greater than 4, the condition is true. So 1008 of right equals to insert 5 comma 1008 of right is now null. So I am calling the fourth insert function insert 5 comma null. That means here our root value is null. So null is double equals to null. So the condition is satisfied. So root equals to, I am assigning some memory location to the newly created value using malloc function. Let it be some 2002. Some memory is created with value 2002. Now you have to place 5 in that data part. So 2002 of data equals to 5. I am placing 2002 of data as 5 and 2002 of left equals to null and 2002 of right equals to null, which is not having any left or right child, so we are placing null here. So at last I am returning a root value. At present our root value is 2002, so which is returned to this function. So 1008 of right is nothing but 2002. After finishing this function we are returning a root value as 1000 of 8 to here, that is 1002 of right should be 1000 of 8. So after completing this function we should return a value 1000 of 2. Again from here we are returning a value 1000. That means we are returning back to the root value. Delete operation in BST. When we want to delete a node in the BST, 3 cases may arise. If it is a leaf node, simply remove that node. For example, here in this case I want to delete a node 18. So you can directly delete that node. The case 2 is deleting a node with single child. That may be a left child or right child. Just remove that node and replace its child with that node. Here I want to delete 25. I am just deleting that node and replacing that node with 30. Delete operation in BST continued. So if the deleted node, if the node to be deleted has 2 children, then you have to, for example, in this case I want to delete 2, which is having 2 children. So in that case you have to find the minimum element from the right subtree. So the minimum element in this right subtree is 3. So replace the root node with this 3 value. That means I am replacing the root value, the node 2 with 3, and I am deleting this node and attaching 5 to 4. That means replace the key of that node with the minimum element of the right subtree and delete that minimum value and replace this child with this position. So this is the code for deleting a node in a binary search tree. If root value is null, there is nothing to delete. So if your key is less than root arrow of data. That means the value to be deleted is less than root arrow of data. We have to traverse towards left. So root arrow of left equals to delete node of root of left comma key. And if the element to be deleted is greater than root arrow of data, we have to traverse towards right. Root arrow of right equals to delete node of root arrow of right comma key. And this is the case when occurs when you want to delete a node with two children. So root arrow of left and root arrow of right. That means if you are having two children, then it returns a true. In logical and if both the conditions are true, it returns a value true. So when you are deleting a node with two children, you have to find the minimum element from the right subchild. So temp cell equals to find min of root of right. That means we are finding the minimum element from the root of right. And root of element should be replaced by which value? That minimum value. So root of element equals to temp cell of element. At last you have to delete that minimum element. So that minimum element is present in the root of right. So root of right equals to delete of root of element comma root of right. So this code explains when you want to delete a node with single child. If you want to delete that node, root node with single child, initially store that root value in a temp cell, and which is if it is having a left child, you have to replace that with right, and you have to free the temp cell. Here comes an example how you want to delete a node 2 here. So each and every node is assigned with some memory locations. Here I want to delete node 2. This is the case where which is node is having two children here. So we have to find the minimum element from the right subtree, replace this minimum element in the root value, and you have to delete this minimum value. So delete 2 comma 1000. Our root value is 1000, which is not equals to null. So again we are moving to the else if block. 2 is less than, that is the key value is 2. 2 is less than root arrow of data, that is 6. So 2 is less than 6, so we have to traverse towards left. That is 1000 of left equals to delete of 2 comma 1000 of 2. That means a delete function is called now delete 2 comma 1002. Now our root value is 1002. So if 1002 is not equals to null, the case fails and checks with else if 2 is less than 2, no. Else if 2 is greater than 2, no. So you have to check whether that 2 is left child and right child is null or not. If 1002 of left is present, as 1002 of left is having a node and 1002 of right is also having a node. So it returns a true value and it returns true when both the conditions are true. In logical and it returns a value true. So temp cell equals to find min of 1002 of right. That means in this right subtree you have to find the minimum value. So we are calling a minimum value here which returns a value 2000. That means the minimum value is present in the memory location 2000. In temp cell you will be storing a value 2000. And next 1002 of data, that is the root of data, should be replaced with this data. So 1002 of data is equals to 2002 of data, that is we are replacing 2 with 3 here. So next 1002 of right equals to delete 3 comma 1000 of 8. That means you have to delete 3 in 1002 of right, that is nothing but 1000 of 8. Now a delete function is called delete 3 comma 1000 of 8. Now our root value is 1008, which is not equals to null. Else if 3 is less than root arrow of data, our root arrow of data is 5. Else if 3 is less than 5, as the condition is true. So 1008 of left equals to, that means we are traversing towards left. Delete 3 comma 2000. That means here we are moving to this position. S delete of 3 comma 2000. Now our root address is 2000. If 2000 is equals to null, no, the case fails. Else if 3 is less than 2002 of data, no, fails. 3 is less than 3, no. 3 is greater than 3, no. So it checks whether it is having a left child or not. Else if, so 2000 of left is not having anything, so it returns a value false, and 2002 of right is having some value, it returns true, but false and true in logical and returns the statement false, so this block fails. Here comes to the else block. Else block executes when you are deleting a node with single child. So here I am storing temp cell equals to root, that means 2000. If 2002 of left is null, you have to replace the right value here. So 2000 of left is equals to null. So I am assigning root equals to root arrow of right. So root arrow of right is nothing but 2000 of right. So it becomes as 2002. And here else block does not work. So at last free 2000, that means we are deleting this node. And we have assigned 1000 of 8 right left as 2002. Return 2002. Here 2002 is returned to which statement? Here, its function. 1008 of left is replaced by which value? 2002. And again this function returns a value 1000 of 8. That means 1002 of right is replaced with 1008, and again this function returns a value 1002. That means 1000 of left is nothing but 1002, and at last we are returning back to 1000. So here I am concluding the overall statements. In the insertion process, we have to check each and every node in order to find whether you have to traverse towards left or right. And when you are deleting a node in a BST, 3 cases may arise. The first case is deleting a leaf node. You can directly delete that node. In case 2, you are deleting a node with single child. When you are deleting that node, you can replace the child node with its root position. And third one is deleting a node with 2 children. In that case, you have to find the minimum element from the right subtree and replace the minimum element in the root position and delete that minimum element and replace the minimum element's child in the roots place. Thank you.